We just installed the Hamilton Conversion Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto in this 2015 Lexus CT. It has completely changed the look and feel of this vehicle. It's touchscreen. Of course, it works with your factory mouse as well. I'm going to walk you through some of the features quickly of CarPlay today, but I'm also going to tell you what makes this system so special. Because it's developed right here in Raleigh, North Carolina by Hamilton Motor Company, we have tested it on North Carolina and American spec vehicles to make sure that it is compatible with all your factory features. You can see here, shifting to reverse is going to bring up your factory reverse camera, and coming back to drive or park will bring you right back into CarPlay like a brand new vehicle. At any time, you can long hold the menu button in front of the mouse for 3 seconds and come back to the Lexus screen. Cheaper companies that make their products overseas and don't have the budgets to test in America only will test their systems on foreign vehicles. Frequently, these vehicles are very similar to the American spec vehicles, but they're not identical. So you can get strange issues and strange loss of features from the factory side. Ours is going to preserve all of your features, including your original XM radio, AM and FM radio. Coming back to CarPlay, I'll tell you something else. Our system integrates right in with your factory microphone, so Siri can hear you easily. Phone calls sound great, and text messages as well are easy to send. Let's make a phone call now. Hey Siri, call Eli.
Calling Eli.
Yes, sir.
We just installed the Hamilton Conversion Kit and a Lexus CT. I'm super excited. Eli, how do we sound?
You sound very good.
Awesome. Do we have tech support in English and Spanish at Hamilton Motor Company?
Yes, sir. También hablamos español.
Awesome. Thank you, Eli. Back here in CarPlay, you'll see no matter which music app you use, whether Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or otherwise, you'll have easy access to large cover art, and you have all of your songs easily available. The same is true for navigation, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze. Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
How much better is this than the
Proceed
original
to Corporation
system?
Parkway, then take the first right.
Pressing the home button will bring you back to the CarPlay home screen. Of course, any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here. So if you use something like Audible or an app for your business, it'll be available in CarPlay automatically. Pushing the menu button quickly takes you to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Let's talk about this, why it's so powerful and important. This screen makes your system more powerful than even the newest Lexus vehicles. On the Hamilton underlying operating system, we have access to the Google Play Store, where you can load any app directly onto the system. It has 128 gigs of onboard storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, so it's as powerful as a new smartphone, and a top-of-the-line Qualcomm processor, similar to some of the newest phones on the market. That means you can put apps on the screen that are powerful and demanding, and it makes the screen even more feature-filled than the newest vehicles on the market. You can put apps onto the screen directly that might not be available in CarPlay or Android Auto. This system is going to have wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto built into it. It's backed by the 3-year Hamilton guarantee, which is our top-of-the-line warranty, and it means we're going to take care of you before, during, or after your purchase. You can call me or one of my team members at 919-858-2890. We appreciate your business.